My name is Paul with Appliance Service by Paul in Salt Lake City, Utah, and we're here to talk about mold and mildew smells in front-loading washers. There are a number of things that can create mold and mildew in a front-loading washer. Many of them can be prevented. The first of which is using the right amounts and the proper amounts of detergent. Leaving wet clothes in your front-load washer overnight or for long periods of time can create mold and mildew in your washer. So be sure you remove those. The other thing that you can do to help prevent this is when you're done using the machine, leave the door open and open your dispenser. This allows air to get in the washer and clean it out. Also down in the washer, in this area here, we have some drainage holes. Be sure those are clear and the water can drain out of the boot properly. If you do get mold and mildew in your washer, you can treat that in a number of ways. There are products on the market, like we show here, which will help clean the washer out. Some machines even have a special cycle for cleaning using those products. My name is Paul with Appliance Service by Paul in Salt Lake City, Utah, and we've just talked about mold and mildew in front-load washers.